morning, students. Continuation with my previous class. Let me discuss these two questions for today's session. Now see, what we are trying to do is here, we have imported RE and I have opened mbox.txt, and what I'm trying to process is, you know why we are using line is equal to line.r strip, right? At the end, since every line will have enter /n character, it is going to give space. This you already know, I need not tell about this. So just to avoid that, we are giving stripping that space. That is right strip. So next, what is that I am going to do? If re.search, I have given first character as wildcard as cap, then f2 dot is been given. What does this 2 dot indicate? Dot indicates
one character.
Yes, any one character. Now 2 dots I have given. So any two characters. It could be F R O M, it could be, or it could be F 4 5 M, it could be, or it could be F M M, it could be, whatever it is, right? So in between it can have any characters, right? That is what is my question, and those lines has to be printed. So but it has to start from 1. First character should be F to any characters and M. So now let me try to run this program and show you how does it. We are getting these lines from, and you know, mbox.txt, we have, it is a huge data it contains. I think everyone might have seen this, because mbox text we will be using throughout the your modules. You have to search for lines that start with from and have an at sign, and it should have at sign. So for that, what I should do? What is a regular expression I need to write?
With from and star, and then at symbol and then star.
1 minute. Okay. It is, yeah. Now, where do you have at sign here? If you see in mbox.txt, we have at sign in between. So you have from Stephen dot Marquardt at something like this. And again, if you come down, if you see from here, you have somewhere, yeah, here I have from, correct? Now, what is that I can, what is the regular expression I can write for this?
So from, start with from, and then that colon, and then star, then
yes,
at, and then again star.
Colon. So from, then
Star.
Is it?
At, okay.
Oh, dot.
Then I have like this.
Yeah.
Correct?
Dot
I can
plus
have this, right?
and again
from
dot plus.
Dot plus, then at. Afterwards, you can have anything. Correct?
Yeah.
So what I will do, I'll just copy this here. And again, I'll try to run and I'll show you. Control V. Fine. So now I'll run this. I'll even share this to you. Yeah, same thing. We are getting the same output, whatever you have seen previously, no? Same output we are getting. Fine. Now, still that challenging thing, whatever we are supposed to do it in do it in regular expression, that still we are not done, right? So let us see now what else can be done. Till now, what did we see? We have used search method where you can search and you can find it and display, right? Now, what is that I want to do is now I have to extract data using a regular expression. So who does that job? Extracting job is find all method supported by a regular expression. That is RE module. Now from this text, okay, this text, what I will do, I'll just copy and I'm going to copy it in this. Let me Control V. Okay. Now with this, if you see, S is a string, right? Now in the string, I have to extract only the email IDs. How many email IDs I have? I have 2 email IDs, right? One is this and the other one is this. Only these 2 things has to be extracted and we are supposed to display. Now this can be done only using find all method. Okay. Now what is that I have to write here? See, if you see before this at and after at, what do we have? We have characters, number of characters, right? I can use slash, I say slash S. What does this slash S do? This slash S plus, if I give, this will match as many non-white space characters as possible. Please make a note that, yes, capital S, it is not small s. Small s gives different meaning. This capital S slash capital S plus matches as many non-white space characters as possible. Now, after this, what I need at sign, correct? I'm going to use at sign. Again, what I need? Non-white space characters. So I'll again say slash yes. Now, let me try to run this. What is that we have tried to do here? CSC,
Extract
2
only.
mail IDs we have extracted and it is put in the, and it is a list of email IDs I got. Now, if you observe here, I have at 2 p.m. Why this didn't come as an output? I got
Before at nothing is enough.
Yes, before at, there's nothing, no white space. There is a blank space, correct? Non-white space is not there. That's the reason at 2 p.m. is not being displayed. Is that clear, students? Now, you may ask me, instead of slash yes, why can't we use dot? What happens if I use like this?
Single character.
Single, no, dot plus I have given, no?
Oh, dot plus is single or more than
yeah.
one character.
More than one character. I'll be getting more than one character, right? So now, what does it mean?
A message from also will visible. A message from there it will display.
Yeah, from there it will display. That now you came to know what is the power of this regular expression. This is the power of the regular. You are still not seen, but this is very small example and very simple example I have shown here. But still, same thing. Here, you should write a program to read all the lines in a file mbox.txt and print out anything that looks like email address. So what I can do? Same thing here. Here, this particular thing, I will just copy. Now I'm going to take this. I don't want this anymore. Hope you people have understood this, right? What else changes I need to make here? Instead of yes?
FH.
Yeah. FH? Is it FH or?
Line.
Line. It's line. Okay. Now we will see whether this will give me the proper output. Yeah. Listen, students, here. What is that we got here? We already got this, but other things, if I'm scrolling it to you, can you see the output screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Somewhere we are getting only empty, square brackets, right? What is that empty square brackets? But we are getting the other thing. We are getting empty square brackets.
In that line, there is no email ID.
That line, there is no email ID, but it is still printing blank. I don't want this blank things to display. So can I avoid that? I need to give len of list is greater than 0, I can give, or I can just leave it as it is. Only those lines which is greater than, that means if it is only true, then only it is going to print, or else it will not print. Okay, let me check with this and see whether it is possible or not. Yeah, now I'm going to share. You can see these are the email IDs which I got. Correct? All of you can see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all of you can see?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
we are able to extract only those. You are also given greater less than sign on both the ends and some semicolon. All this is there. Now I don't want this to be printed. I mean, I don't want this to be displayed. Add some more characters.